Animal behavior.
Hello friends, we will start with the next topic, animal behavior. Animal behavior is the scientific study of how the animals interact with each other, with other living beings and with the environment. It also shows how they relate to the physical environment as well as to other organisms. It includes some of the topics such as how the animals avoid their predators. Predators are the animals which harm them, choose mates, how they reproduce, and how they care for the young ones. Both external and internal stimuli prompts behavior. Even with respect to the animals, there is a stimuli. External stimuli, for example, include sound, smell, threats from other animals, and weather. By identifying these, the animal have different behaviors. Internal stimuli include hunger and fear. The animal behavior depends upon the habitat in which the animal is been living and its social organization also. The animal behavior can be of different types and which can be studied with the help of 4 groups, which is instinct, imprinting, conditioning and imitation. We will discuss all these 4 groups in detail with the help of the diagrams. The first animal behavior is the instinct. Instinctual behavior are the behavior that are not learnt by the animal, which are not learned by the animals. They comes to the animals naturally from birth. For example, a bird making a nest, a spider making a web, and a caterpillar making a cocoon. These behavior are not learned from their parents. They comes to the animals naturally from birth. The instinct behavior is also used in choosing mates. For example, a male bird finds a female mate. Mate is the partner, you can say at partner, finding a mate, as well as in forming into groups for protection. When your hand touches a hot or sharpened object accidentally, you automatically moves it away, right? This is because of a reflex action. Reflexes are also part of instinct behavior. We do not have to learn them. In the diagram, you can find Conrad Lorenz, who was an Australian scientist who studied about the animal behavior. He had reared geese, which is a bird, and since they have been hatched, they imprinted on him. They treated him as their mother, and they followed him wherever he goes and tried to stay in contact with the person. The second type of animal behavior is imprinting. You can generally find that chickens and ducklings do imprinting a lot. Generally, chickens and ducklings are able to walk immediately after hatching from the eggs. Ducklings can even swim within a few days after hatching. They recognize their mother behavior because of imprinting. Duckling will follow the first moving object they meet after hatching. Hatching means coming out of the egg. They become socially attached to this object and treat it as their mother. Imprinting lets young animals recognize their mother from a young age. But generally, ducklings will imprint on people also. They even imprint on balls and even cardboard boxes. If the first thing they see after they hatch.